Hi all, I'm going to cook a beef stew in Sri Lankan style today, and I'm going to use turmeric, pepper, salt, tamarind, garlic, bit of soy sauce and olive oil. So first of all I'm going to boil this for 20 minutes and then I will do the finishing. Alright, now after you boiling the beef, then you will need to cut it into big slices, and now I'm going to finish up the dish. So I put some olive oil and mustard and fenugreek. Then I'm going to add a pandan leaf and some curry leaves, and some onions, and shallow fry them for 2 minutes on medium heat. Chili and also some ginger. You fry it a little bit slowly so that all the aromatics from these herbs will ooze into the oil. Okay, once they are slightly browned, we will add our beef slices. They are big chunks because we want it like that. We are adding all our beef chunks and all the beef juices inside, which is the flavor. And we need to fry them off, so it has to be very light, medium heat that we are going to fry this off. At this point we're going to add some pepper. This is mainly a peppery dish. We are not going to put any red chili into it, and some salt to the taste, not too much because we already add salt when it's boiling, so add a little bit. Slowly it's heating up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some juice from our meat juice from where when we boiled it. I'm going to add a little bit of juice into it. I'm going to leave some for the later. I'm going to mix it. At this point we can just increase the heat a little bit just to mix it up. Okay, it has been simmering and cooking for about 20 minutes now. You can see it has all the oil has evaporated from the beef, and I think the beef is now cooked very nicely. Maybe another 10 minutes time it would be perfect. And importantly for beef, when you cook beef, you need to rest it. You have to leave it to rest at least 20 minutes before you eat it. That's when the meat will get tender. So what I have to do now is I need to crack some black pepper. There have to be large pieces of black pepper at this stage. So I'll crack some black pepper because black pepper is the what it will give the taste to this dish. Yeah, and have to put some onion rings. Put large pieces of onions. It have to be slightly raw taste. Increase the heat a little bit, and I will mix these onions in with the pepper. It's really nice. Yeah, it looks awesome. Alright, that's the pepper beef. I hope you liked it. It's almost done. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'll try to bring more of those kind of dishes.